Hi guys, Chox here, and welcome back to my channel to the cake decorating playlist. Today, we are gonna make Easter Bunny cupcakes out of buttercream icing. Let's go have a look. Easy, easy, easy. So for this today, we are going to need 6 flat ice cupcakes, and that just means there's a little icing smeared on top so we have something to stick it to. I've got a coupler on my green and my white because I'm gonna need my grass tip for both green and white today. So we're going to start off with a green grass tip, a white round tip, pink writing tip, and a black writing tip for accents. So first what we're going to do is we're just going to put grass all over these cupcakes. Okay, so we have our 6 flat ice cupcakes. We're going to do a bunny face on one and a bunny bum on the other. Just imagine that that grass tip is white. So we're going to start with these guys. Okay, these cute little bunnies are really simple. We just need to break it down into simple shapes. We're going to start with the ears, all the way up to the top of the cupcake, just like that. Then we're going to make the circle for the face, nice and round. We're going to make the puffy cheeks. Just hold it and squeeze right in one spot. You don't need to move it at all. And then little dots for the eyeballs. Okay. Then we're going to take our pink writing tip, put the accents in so it'll start to look like a little bunny. Little pink up in the ears. And down in this little spot we need a little pink triangle for its mouth. See, easy shapes, circles and triangles. Or for its nose. There's its cute little nose. Then we take our black writing tip, and we're going to give this little eyeballs. Okay, you want to touch these down so it doesn't look like this little bunny is looking in all different directions. There we go, and a couple of whiskers coming out of those chubby little cheeks. And there, we have a cute little Easter bunny face. We can finish this up with some grass around it if we want. So let's do the other guys. The trick to making this go a little faster also when you're doing a lot of cupcakes is just to do all of the motions on all of your cupcakes all at the same time. So I'm using the writing tip. I'm just making the base face here and the little one for the eyes. I'm not setting it down. I'm going on to the next one. Ears, face, chubby cheeks, eyeballs. So you'll save a lot of decorating time just doing it like a little production line. So now I've got the pink writing tip, ear accents, little triangle for the nose. On the next one, ear accents, little triangle for the nose. Pick up your black writing tip, give it little eyeballs, and some whiskers. So having an image to work from really comes in handy as well when you're doing just this step by step on each cupcake like this. Good to have your eye on the prize. There we go, we've got our little rabbit face cupcakes. And finish this off with a little bit of a grass tip, just to cover in the bottom of the face there. Nothing too fancy, just gives it a nice finished look. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Look at that, quick and easy. Oh, that's so cute. Here we go. Oops. So that's why I wasn't worried about these rough edges when I was flat icing. I'll finish it up. And one more. Oops. Oh, those are adorable. That one looks a little crazy. There we go. All right, on to the tails. Oops. Okay, so we have our next 3 flat ice cupcakes, and what I'm going to do is just take the grass tip and do a little base around these because I don't want to touch it after because of the buttercream icing, so there'll be no playroom. So I'm just going to do a quick grass outline here. And it's okay if we bump it off because we can touch it up later. It's just the main part of this really should be done first. But either way, it doesn't matter, whatever suits you best. Okay, that was quick and easy. So now what we're going to do is just take the we're going to take the round tip. We're going to make a circle right in the middle. Circle, 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 circle. Yeah, I'll show you another way to do that on the next cupcake. And then we're going to take an oval shape right there. Oval, oval. And then I'm going to do this on all the cupcakes, and then I'm going to switch over to the grass tip to give a textured tail. So another way to do it is just to hold it still, hold it steady, squeeze your piping bag right up. There's a nice round little bum. Oval, oval. Your fingers will get green doing this, but you'll see why we did it after. Squeeze and hold it there. Nice big round circle. Ooh. Oval. Oval. Well, that one's just going to fall right over. Okay, so you're just going to smooth out the back of these little paws with the back of a teaspoon. So easy. Just like that. I'm going to take my pink writing tip and we're going to make the little shapes. We're going to make the little shapes of the cute little paw prints. So we're going to do a little line in the middle, or an oval, and then 3 little lines. 1, 2, 3. So there, now we've got a little paw shape. Let's do it here. One, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Little ovals. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we are. We're done with the pink accents. Okay, so now these cute little guys need a tail. I've switched up my grass tip and washed it out and put it on the white icing bag. And we're just going to do a little texture here. Squeeze, pull, squeeze, pull. You can make his tail as big as you want it to. Squeeze and pull. Fluffy little tail. Look at that cuteness. adorable. Oh, look at how cute that set of bunny rabbits is. They're all unique and individual with their own little personality because of the buttercream factor. It's a little crazy, but they are cute. Alright, you guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for hanging out here with me and decorating cute little bunny bums. If you have anything you'd like to see, or if you've done this, show me in the comment section below. I would love to see your creations. Please click one of these boxes hanging out around my head. It'll take you to YouTube recommended video or my cake decorating playlist. And I hope to see you around the channel. Click the little subscribe button and notifications so you know when I upload. And I'll see you next time. Happy cake decorating.